Hello viewers, thanks for joining me today. Little follow-up on the green third gen. After the engine transplant, this engine runs really spectacular. I don't know about this. I wanted to run this spacer just to see what I thought of it. I don't have anything really to compare it to since I don't have another stick truck with a stock engine. But anyway, this engine just really runs spectacular. I'm very pleased. It's all gone together quite well, and I've been driving it around. I've got about 400 miles on it now, and it's been doing great. Got my skid plates back on, got my bumpers polished up a little bit on it, trying to make it look clean and nice again. I did decide to go with the black vinyl flooring. The particular one I bought was cheap. You get what you pay for. I didn't want to sink a bunch of money into it because I wasn't sure exactly how I wanted to finish it out. But I bought one of these molded cut to fit kind, which cut to fit is okay. The molded part of it, I don't know so much about that. Now, I don't care, like I got it big around my bolts and things. I don't care about aesthetics and beauty that much. I want it functional. I want it to work. It's working. I guess. I don't know, maybe it'll get better as the vehicle sets. So I'm not going to tell you what it was because I'm pretty less than impressed by it, but I do have vinyl floor down now, so we'll see how it goes. It is insulated. I got the rest of the interior I'll put back in, so it does run much quieter down the road now. And those chocolate kashi bars are awesome. Just as a side note, I messed up right there. I thought I was going to be up under my console there, so I'm going to have to put a piece of black Gorilla tape or something over that just so it doesn't show the green through. But having the interior in it and the insulation in it is so much nicer and quieter now than it was before. Really like driving this truck. I adjusted the doors so they don't rattle anymore. I started putting some kill mat back here in the back because that vinyl floor doesn't come all the way back here. I cut out for my drain plugs and stuff when I roll it down. Use just old rubber roofing roller is what I've been using to roll it down. I ran out. This was what I had left over when I did my black third gen, and so I started on this. I got some on order from Amazon, but with the COVID, it's not rush order stuff, and I'm perfectly fine with that. I'm just waiting on it, and then we'll continue to go. I will continue to go on across there. Very pleased so far with the way this is turning out. It's really coming together nice. It's so much nicer to have the interior in. I did decide to go ahead and put that sport hood on here as well as on my black one. I just lucked into getting a black painted one with the same paint coat as my black third gen. So I just decided, since people were telling me one thing about what these are worth and then trying to offer me another thing, I'll just put them on my trucks myself and see how I like them on there. I think this one's tweaked just a little bit on the corner here because it fits funny, but that's neither here nor there. I like it. I think I might stick with them on there. If not, I'll take them off and sell them. I change my mind about things. It just happens that way. I did go wash off my truck the other day. I've been out wheeling it in my woods, and it's pretty rainy, so it's been rainy lately, so it was muddy, and I just took it and sprayed it off. But polished up my bumpers on this. They're dinged up, but no rust on them. I'm trying to show this truck some love and appreciation. I gotta have a wash on that back window there. But I just wanted to give you a follow-up on how it's coming together. It was so gross and nasty when I got it, and it's looking so much better now. Got the ABS light on the dash off because I know which light bulb to pull to make that go away. And it's so much nicer to have the console and everything in. Had these little change holder things for a console, and I don't know how I feel about them in there. I put them in there, and I put the brown in there just for some color. But I have all black plugs too if I get sick of that. I couldn't get that yuck. Ugh, that thing was so gross in there. I've cleaned and cleaned and cleaned. I cleaned the seats. They're pretty nice condition, a little bit of wear there, but otherwise I've cleaned them up, and they're doing really well. It's so nice to have this going down the road, not rattling and sounding like a school bus now that it's got the interior in it. But I just wanted to show everybody that it's coming along. I was going to show some of the install of that flooring, but that was a major pain in the and I did not want to show you that, so I didn't. But it's in there. It's okay. It'll work for now. Like I said, it was cheap, and you get what you pay for. Sometimes it is molded. Maybe it'll relax out some. I don't know. We'll see. I'll let you know if it does. But thanks for tuning in to see what I got going on my 3rd Gen channel. It's looking like I got a smoked license plate cover here. I'm tempted to put on my black truck too, but then I think that I probably won't do that. So I'll sell that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in today, listening to me ramble on a little bit. Happy to have the 5-speed diff lock truck out on the road and going, racking up some miles and bringing me lots of smiles. So thanks for tuning in, and have a great day.